back to a new vlog. And this time it's it's definitely the last vlog out of this flat. I've just been packing up my last few things and tomorrow I'm moving to Brighton. I still can't believe it. I know I've said this so many times in these vlogs, but it still feels quite unreal. But it's an end of an era, and for the celebration of the end of this era, I ordered myself a lot of food from the Temple of Satan, which is delish. So yeah, I thought I would just kind of show you what I've packed. A lot of the stuff I already brought downstairs because obviously I have to bring it into the van tomorrow, so it's just a bit quicker. And also so I had some space to hoover and everything because it's a lot. Like, I have a lot of stuff and it really pisses me off. So this is like the last few things from my stuff. My mirror and my bedside table. There's a few things here. There's a massive bag here, which there's no room in the hallway for. And yeah. So guys, I've ordered vegan mac and cheese that we're gonna try together now. Fucking love mac and cheese. Oh, this looks a bit strange, but okay. And yes, I'm eating with chopsticks because I love eating with chopsticks. Okay. Let's see. It's nice, you know. Burger. Yeah, I treated myself, as you can tell. Okay, so it's like fake chicken burger kind of vibe. Oh, there's fake bacon on it. I'm usually not a fan of fake bacon, but let's see. It's a bit dry. Is there sauce in it? Yeah. It's alright, but I prefer the mac and cheese. Wish I got a big one now. And now, no, where's my Stanley Cup? It's on the other side of the room. Well, now I'm gonna watch my German trash TV and relax. Morning guys, it's moving day and I'm just gonna go grab myself a coffee. And I'm feeling quite emotional actually. Yeah, I don't even know, it's crazy. Now I'm like I'm questioning whether this is the right choice, but I know it is. I've had 5 years in London, but I guess there's always that lingering feeling of like, oh, did I do enough? Did I use the time right? Whatever. But now I'm grabbing my coffee. Guys, I'm ready to cry. Oh my god, I'm such an ugly crier as well. I don't know even why. Like, I'm excited for this new step, but it just feels weird leaving London. Like, London has always been my dream, and I've done it, and I've lived my dream, and there's space for new dreams now, but oh my god, I'm such an ugly fucking crier. I guess the past year has just been so difficult, and things have changed so much, and I never thought that if I would leave London it would feel like this. I feel like I've lost quite a few things, probably for the better, and I've grown so much, and I'm so proud of myself for how much I've grown and reflected and learned, and but still it's just weird. Oh my god, I'm such a fucking crybaby. Anyway, I was gonna vlog this whole journey, so all the up and downs of moving. It's so weird, like, being in this room. It's literally empty. So much carrying, but I feel like I've done some good prep work because I put most of my stuff downstairs. So now we just have to chuck it all out, which is good. Guys, we're here. We're in new home. What? We're in Brighton, babes. We're in Brighton, babes. And now we're gonna go TK Maxx. We already shopped like a couple of things. Then we're gonna go TK Maxx and then we go back and we clean the shit out of the flat.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we're gonna get a takeaway later on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. This is where we're sleeping tonight. But I'll really put some stuff up. I feel like I don't want to do a room tour yet, not until like the flat's completely ready, because right now it's still a mess. But I cleaned all the bathroom and stuff, so that's good.
Okay.
We are the Chinese guys. Yummy.
Yeah,
Hello guys, it's the first morning in our flat. Vinny's behind the camera. How did you sleep?
All right, actually, weren't too bad on our little squat.
Drug den.
So this is what you see from my eyes.
And there's a little kitchen, but actually, stop it. I don't want to do a room tour yet.
What?
I want to do a room tour when it's all ready.
Fucking difficult. Look at them pretty eyes. Oh. Eating food.
We're in IKEA. In IKEA. Woo! Vamos, IKEA in Brighton. Woo woo. Guys, we're back. And I'm gonna give you a haul. So me and Vinny have been out and about all day. Went to IKEA, which was a stupid idea to do that on a Sunday. Especially because the IKEA here is quite small.
Fucking tiny, it's smaller than the TK Maxx.
Pretty much, but I'm gonna give you a haul what we bought. Also, we wanted to go to the car boot sale, but then it wasn't on because there was horse racing going on, so couldn't even do that. But anyway, we then ended up in a garden center for some reason, even though we don't have a garden. But we found these ice cube trays for 90p, so it's 3 of them, which is handy. Then obviously we bought Wi-Fi because we don't have Wi-Fi yet. So Vinny's gonna set that up in a minute. Then we went to IKEA, as I've said. Bought a nice little toilet brush. Bought some cutlery. I actually think it's quite cute. It's not that standard one, but I like it. And then we bought a pot. And
You bought a pot.
And we bought some soup thing. Like, what do you call these things?
Utensils.
Utensils. Some kitchen utensils.
Yes. What's the German word for utensil?
I don't know.
Utensil.
Utensilien.
Utensilien. Yeah.
But you don't call it that. I don't know. Kitchen utensilien. Or maybe you do. I don't know. Kitchen utensilien. Anyway, I'm trying to... And then we bought this little corner shelf. I already have the same one, but like long and thingy. And these are quite handy because we can put them in the corner of the bathroom. Then we went to Home Sense, which is basically TK Maxx. I don't know why it's called Home Sense. And we found this big fluffy bath mat, which I like. I really wanted to get the one that says like get naked, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so not a sleigh. And then we bought another pen, which I really like. This one was 20 quid. So a bit more expensive, but the IKEA ones were all a bit shit, to be fair. Oh, and I forgot to show these from Sustainagrain. I already have these. I already have a little one of these, but I really like them. I could put some oats in there and chia seeds and cute. So now let's build this together. Some dinner for us, and we're watching Love is Blind.
Is this how it feels to be really short? Yeah, look, pass it here, I'll give you... Normally when I sit, I'd be like here. On these pillows. I feel like a fucking child. What is he doing?
It's very windy. Hey guys, we're back. I am gonna go to the beach now because it's Saturday, Vinny isn't here. And I'm gonna go for a little beach walk, and then I'm picking something up at IKEA again. So usually all I do is just shopping furniture. I have my little jar with some wine gums in here, so yum. And yeah, it's such a sunny and beautiful day, so let's go to the beach until the weather changes. Going up. My mouth. Guys, Vinny's parents ordered us a snack cutter, and I'm so grateful because this is like a dream come true, and it's pink. So let's do an unboxing. Hey. Oh my god, it comes in this little bag. Okay, let's start with the boring part first. This is the little... Ooh. Wow.
Bougie, isn't it?
Very bougie.
It is for 100.
And then, whoosh. Like a little rocket. Why is it like in a pillowcase? Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Ah! Look how pretty it is. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Oh, I can't wait for our little coffee station. We're going to the car boot sale.
Yeah.
How was the car boot?
Shit, but we got a Mr. Men mug, so little miss hug. So can't really, you know, the silver linings of things. Her being all depressed, and I'm happy we got a new mug. Never gonna use it.
Cheers, bruh.